Hi, my name is Mark Brabham. I'm with Physical Plant here in Randolph-Macon. A lot has happened since the last time you saw me. The football project is nearing completion. The library project is looking like about 80% complete, and we've gotten going here on the campus center project. What you saw last time was the demolition of the project. Since then, we've cleared the site, moved some utilities out of the way for the building footprint, and this week we started installing the footers for the structural steel. So basically what you see is a bare site with some of our strip footings set up, getting ready for the structural steel. The new Brock Commons is still on pace for a spring opening. It'll have the movie theater, meeting space, plush lounge seating, restaurant and cafeteria seating. It will have office space for student groups and whatnot. Have reservable conference rooms for those student groups or any other student activity that's needed. And it'll have outdoor seating for events or just any everyday seating. Landscaping will tie into the water fountain. This whole area will be transformed into a new space. Right now we're at the John Warner Pavilion. This will house a 24-hour study space with a classroom space on the second floor. What you're seeing here is the roughed-in entrance that'll go from the 24-hour space into the existing library. We'll have new restroom facilities on my left and right. We'll also have a vending location and the coffee bar right here. And then from here you'll walk into a nice open room. It'll be open seating, open study space. The second floor is a 40-person classroom. We'll have technology in it for any type of classroom activity that's needed. We're talking possible camera, over internet camera lectures to watch another lecture or to broadcast a lecture. And it'll have high-tech TVs and connections for any type of lecture that's needed to be done. This will be finished in August. It'll be open in time for first classes. What you see here is the renovated day field. What I noted in the past was we were relocating the field, turning the field 90 degrees, so it's now in a north-south orientation. We've relocated the bleachers that we're standing on. Artificial turf is now installed. It's lined for football, lacrosse, men's and women's, and soccer. You'll see there's an athletic walking track for recreational use around the field. We are lit with Musco lighting poles that will give us opportunity for night games for any of those sports. And right now we're pretty much 95% complete. The field is operation, as you can see, and we're now just trimming out the last couple things. What you see behind me is how we're orientated with Andrews Hall. Now you can see why Andrews Hall is built the way it is. The new stadium actually tucks right into the corner of it. What you see from the opposite side of Andrews Hall is going to be a new residence hall. It'll actually bookend the stadium on both north and south end. We're looking at what we do with the visitor side. We're fully lit on that side, fully lit on the home side.